Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add the withdraw payment gateway in the Xilancer Marketplace platform so that your freelancer can withdraw their money using the payment gateway you have added. I will also show you how you can set withdraw free and the minimum amount of withdraw in the admin panel for the Xilancer Marketplace. Let's jump into the admin panel. After coming to the admin panel, scroll down, click on the withdraw settings. Here you will find the settings for the set minimum amount a freelancer can withdraw. Also you can set the amount, a maximum amount for freelancer can withdraw one time. Let's say you have add a minimum amount of 50 and maximum amount of 500. This means no one can withdraw the amount the less than the 50. Also they cannot withdraw any amount greater than the 500. So you will also find some explanation here. Let's go to the payment gateway settings. Here you can see we have already configured two payment gateway for withdraw. One is PayPal and the one is bank. So I will show you another one by creating a payment gateway so that you can add payment gateway as per your need. And you can also able to add gateway field information which you require to send money to the freelancer. Let us create a new gateway, name it let's name it bank transfer. So in bank transfer we need the bank name of the freelancer, bank name. Let's click on add another field, account name, account number, routing number. Let's click on the create gateway. So as you can see, we have just created a new payment gateway. Name is bank transfer, and here is the gateway field. Gateway field means, let's assume you are withdrawing money as a freelancer in the Xilancer Marketplace platform and you have select bank transfer for yourself. And then you will see a form with the field of bank name, account number and routing number. All of those fields must be filled by the freelancer to able to request a withdraw gateway. In short, freelancer will provide all those information so that you can process their request from the admin panel and send their money and mark the request as a complete. Let me show you all the withdraw requests, how you will find them and mark them approved or cancel. Let's go to withdraw request. Here you will find all the withdraw requests requested by the freelancer. You will find the amount, the gateway name, the gateway informations, freelancer informations, image, note, status and action, so on. From here you can actually accept or decline any of the withdraw request given by the freelancer. I hope now you understand how you can add withdraw settings, payment gateway for the withdraw, and how you can manage the withdraw request for the Freelancer Marketplace platform. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.